Hi, this is Ramphani. I'm a career growth coach, author, trainer, speaker. Today, I'm going to review one of my favorite books, Business at the Speed of Thought by Bill Gates. Bill Gates has really created sensation when he shared his experiences of doing business using the technology and how he has built a historical giant like Microsoft in the technology business. The very title, Business at the Speed of Thought, using a digital nervous system, that's the tagline. I want to own this book some 20 years back and owned it. And I first read this book, no, this is what is called the real business communication. When you're talking about business, your communication must be like this. Here, in this book, Bill Gates explained how he has used technology step by step, his expertise, how he experimented with technology while building Microsoft. The one core big idea this book talks about is how to build a business using technology and building a digital nervous system. See, nervous system is the very life of the whole body, as you know, physically. But here he uses the word digital nervous system, where you can imagine the crores and crores and crores of networks which we are using nowadays very easily. Whatever you use, it's all because of the bandwidth, right? And he has used many instances. He has shared his experiences in each and every chapter, and I was really fascinated with this book. Even today, when I buy any business book, no, is it up to the standards of Bill Gates when he wrote the book, The Business at the Speed of Thought? When you can do business at the speed of thought, when you are using technology, when you are leveraging the strengths of technology. That is what the core essence of this book. And he writes in many ways. No, I will read out as we are having this facility now. See, he at the end of every chapter, Bill Gates writes the lessons what we can learn from that particular chapter. Business people need to shake loose of the notion that information is hard to get. That means you should never have the obstacle that you will not get the mental block, you can say. You will not get the information whatever you want. That means you are capable of doing anything as a businessman. Better information can expand the role of sales managers from being the closures of big deals to being business managers. What is required to take right decision? In these days, the language is used as data. You want more and more data for good decision making in this information age. That's what Bill Gates says here. Bringing together the right information with the right people will dramatically improve a company's ability to develop and act on strategic business opportunities. If you want to strike a deal, having strategic business opportunities, you need more information. Integrating sales data with partners not only streamlines reporting processes but also raises the business discussions to a more strategic level. Information must be authentic. You have to integrate sales data with partners, and then you can streamline the reporting processes also, which will help build the sales processes in a proper manner. Digital information, he talks about, enables process breakthroughs that are impossible with paper systems. The first idea of having a paperless office is ideated by Bill Gates in this book. That was his first idea. Can we create paperless office with the help of technology? Tally all your paper forms, starting with forms intensive areas such as procurement and human resources. Develop programs to replace them with digital forms. As you know, today we are using almost all digital forms. India is slowly moving ahead fast using all digital processes, starting from disbursing cash, starting from depositing cash, transferring cash. All types of transfers, cash transfers are happening only online, right? You need not touch cash with hand, right? Of course, we still have some bandwidth problems, but we can overcome those things based on the area where you stay, based on the locale where you stay. In different areas we stay, right? But slowly we are moving ahead, completely making the country a total digital country, biggest digital democratic country. A self-service approach can handle 90% of employee administrative needs. You can assess or you can process all the employee administrative needs, handling 90% with self-service approach. You can serve yourself, right? Happily and very easily, ease of doing service. You need not depend on anybody to get the things done, right? Finally, I recommend this book. Whoever wants to do business through digital processes, you have to read this book, Business at the Speed of Thought, right? And you can master the art of doing business digitally. And I request you to read this book before entering into any kind of online businesses, so that you will understand the importance of doing business online and making your business digital. Please subscribe to my channel and like my posts, videos on my channel. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Good luck.